Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Acrylic Sanya, and do subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to paint a super thick textured sunflower. Here the yellow paste which you see in the video is my texture paste. You can make this texture paste using modeling paste and adding some color to it in the ratio uh, 3 is to 1, where 3 is the modeling paste and 1 is the color, and you can keep on adding until you find the desired color or the desired consistency. I would recommend Golden's modeling paste or Liquitex is also good, or whichever is available in your nearby art supply store. I'm also using a diamond shaped knife to give the shapes of the petals. uh, I'm just scraping the color with one end of the knife and just pasting it on the canvas gently. You have to do it very gently to make sure that you are not pressing too much on the canvas and the shape of the petal is proper. Here you need to relax and make sure that you don't need to be a very perfectionist while creating the sunflower petal. Just a random here and there, just a natural petals of the sunflower, like kind of a little uneven here and there, up and down. I'm using a little smaller diamond shaped knife for the inner sunflower petals which we are using. If you are a beginner and trying this for the first time, make sure you have lots of patience, because I got here after doing lots of trial and errors for few years. So you are definitely not going to get the results like mine in the very first attempt. So you need to keep going. Yours might be more beautiful than that of mine, of course, but make sure like you're not giving up and you're trying, because the palette knife takes quite some time to master, like the way you hold it, the way you scrape the colors. Make sure you're watching this video carefully to see how I'm scraping off the color, the texture, and placing it on the canvas. The one basic thing while working with palette knife is you need to make sure your hands are very light and very gentle, and you're not putting a lot of pressure on your knife, because the more pressure you put, it will show in the shape of the painting whatever you are drawing, and you can see the marks of your knife. So make sure you're very gentle, very light. And also I would like to hear your suggestions on what you would like to paint me next on my channel, what you would like to learn more about texture art, anything and everything about texture art, palette knives. I'd be more than happy to help you. Do follow me on Instagram. My name is Sanya's Art Studio on Instagram for more such beautiful inspirational paintings. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day ahead.